Welcome to Thrice in Learning.
Hi kids, I'm Teacher Fiona, your teacher for today. Can you guess where I am right now? Yes, I am in the valley. The word valley begins with letter V. Let's learn about the letter V. This is the uppercase V. And this is the lowercase v. Letter V makes the sound V. V. Let's blend V to the vowel sounds. V, A, Va, Va, V, E, Ve, Ve, V, I, V, 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 O, Vo, Vo, V, O, V, V. The following are words with the initial sound V. V, vinta, vinta. V, van, van. V, vat, vat. V, vase, vase. V, vest, vest. V, vine, vine. V, violin, violin. V, vegetables, vegetables. V, violet, violet. V, the planet Venus, Venus. It's thinking time. Identify the correct initial consonant-vowel blend for each given picture. How was the brain activity for letter V? Have you identified the correct consonant-vowel blends? If yes, good thinking. If you missed some items, keep trying. This has been Teacher Fiona, leaving you with a reminder to practice reading regularly. See you again next time. Bye.